What's up, my YouTube friends? Welcome to WeldTec Designs YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for visiting us, as we have awesome vans to show you, like this one and that one and that one, and maybe one day we'll get back on that one over there, and there's more over there. They're everywhere. So guys, if you guys are thinking about building a van, thinking about lifting your van, thinking about adding bumpers to your van, you have come to the right place. And I will put links below, and you guys can just go rambling, that's what I'm doing right now, rummaging through our website to check out all kinds of cool stuff. And behind me is I have something really cool. We know you guys love what is called the old brick nose Fords, really square body Ford, the old school Ford. What we've done on this is done a suspension upgrade. We've upgraded all of the components underneath this to 2014. So if you have an old van but you want all new suspension and new brakes, that is something that we're very capable of doing. Or we can send you all the parts and you can do it at home yourself, even better.
Hi guys, it's Caden Johnson, 91 from Growing Up Garage, and today we got our brand new merch. So my dad's gonna tell you about the special that's going on.
Heck yeah, guys. So we want to promote Growing Up Garage, and we got shirts for the little kids. We got jackets or hoodies for the kids. We got awesome pink hats that Caden is rocking. And what we're gonna do, guys, is anybody in the month of May who goes on our website and buys any Growing Up Garage item, for each item that you buy, you're gonna be entered into a drawing. And at the end of May, we're gonna give you $300 in credit towards any of the WeldTec Designs products. Now here's the little trick in it. You can't combine this with our stimulus savings, so we're kind of doing two different things right there. But guys, check out Growing Up Garage, support what we have going on here and about kids learning. So if you guys like hanging out in the garage with your mom, your dad, your grandpa, whoever it may be, tell them you want a Growing Up Garage shirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Kendall? Yeah?
So always support Growing Up Garage.
All right, guys, so that's the deal. We'll see you guys later. So, this thing sits awesome. Look how high this is. This isn't normally how high these things come, obviously. So, you know it, you love it, you've probably heard it. A Baja grocery getter. And we're not in Baja. It's just, that's what we originally lifted the vans for, was when we were going down in Baja to go racing. So this is a 6-inch lift on here, and we are running 285 17 tires. Look at those method wheels. Ooh, BFG, so pretty. Look at all this stuff in here. So this thing is awesome, and what's even cooler about this thing is also the customer's build out inside it. And we know we love showing you guys those build outs in here. If you guys want to no, we're not there yet. We're not ready yet. I was gonna, little peek. It's pretty cool in there. So in the back of this thing, we needed to get it also high enough and to be able to hold the weight of the rear of it. So what we've done is we've added a giant set of leaf springs in the rear to hold the rear weight up, as well as adding a set of Fox shocks. So not only is it gonna ride really nice, the Fox shocks are also gonna control that ride. I'm sorry, not only is it gonna sit really nice, but it's also going to ride really nice with a combination of the springs and the shocks. And these are available in all of our kits that we do. We can build you really cool stuff like this. And as we walk around this thing, you'll also, yeah, it is, okay, fiberine top. So I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, I don't want a Ford because I can't stand up in it, so I'd rather have a Transit or a Mercedes, you know, one of those poo-poo vans. But anyways, I know I'm gonna get some fun ones on that one. But anyways, you could do a fiberine top on it and then have enough room to be able to stand up inside. And I'll show you, because now I'll take you inside. You guys wanna go inside? Maybe we'll go check out the back of this. I haven't seen the back. Austin's getting dizzy following me around. Dude, look at this. If I could only open it. Ah, it's down there. See, it's been so long. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Ton of room for storage back here. Can still put a lot of stuff. He's got his water holding tank right here. He's got his heater and then also an auxiliary hose out the back. You can see he's got the Dometic fridge up there, and then also he's got his battery bank back here as well. And I'm guessing that there's solar up on top. Man, I love that. See the roof in there, that's pretty sweet. So all kinds of stuff back here going on, and still room for more gear, which is cool. This is obviously, this whole build out's not done. He's been working on this for about the past year now, but super cool. Love to see it, because last time it was here, it had none of this build out in here. So this is really neat. Look at that mattress. That's a thick mattress, boy, oh boy. All right, let's go in the inside. So this is definitely super cool. I like it. I probably say that word a lot. It's probably silly. It's a California thing, you know, super cool. Dude, I love the ceiling tiles. Like, that just cracks me up. That is a first. I've never seen anyone do that. Like the crazy ceiling tiles up there. I like it. And then done with the recessed lights in there as well. So, man, this is all centered around this awesome corner kitchen sink. You can see done the nice wood all along the side of it. And then looks like he's done a nice subfloor on the bottom of it. He's got his cabinets. Look at all that. Man, that's pretty sweet. Big cabinet right there. Lots of storage. And then another cabinet, which I'm sitting on. Let's see, more electrical stuff. And then, oh, it's pin shut, duh. That was smart. So look at that giant Dometic fridge. It's gonna come all the way out. Lots of storage. This thing's brand new. These Dometic fridges are really nice, and a lot of these even now have a fridger freezer combo. So you can actually have one side be a freezer and one side be a refrigerator. So, hey Dometic, I really need one of these refrigerator freezers. There you go. Dometic, what's up? I'm calling you out. Chevy Express, Velocis needs one of these things. These things are awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and slide that back in there. Look at that, just nicely underneath there. And don't forget to put your safety pin back in, because you don't want that thing sliding out. Boom. So we're back at it. So tons of storage. He's even got total storage. I'm gonna let Austin get up in here. So storage, we're going with a wicker theme, I think, in here. Maybe I'll have to ask him, maybe he makes baskets? What do I know? Probably not. But all insulated all the way around it. Like I said, you got to get a close-up of the ceiling. This thing's awesome. Okay, so he's got all the baskets are all screwed down in here, so those things aren't going to go flying around. And then the back in the bed, a ton of room back there. Now, still not a lot of room to party. Me and Austin are hanging out in here, and it's pretty tight, huh, Austin? You want to go, you think we could live in this for like a year?
No.
A month? A week?
Maybe a week.
Maybe a week. Maybe a week. That's all Austin's giving it to us, is maybe a week in here. So a lot more storage. This is really nice, very cool. The whole wood grain in here, and then still keeping it old school with the seats. Still look like he's doing some more work up on the front. But overall, I love showing you guys these awesome builds. And if you guys are doing a killer build out, please, if you're ever in the area, stop on by. I'd love to show other people what you're doing. And it gives to give other people ideas for their build out, which is really great. And that's one thing that we really enjoy about the van community, is just how open and free everyone is. They're like, hey, check this out. It's really neat to see how many people get very creative in building out their vans. So that's it for me, guys. I got another van. You guys want to see another van? I got another van to show you if you want to see it. Yeah, come back. I got another one for you. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope that you smash that subscribe button, because who doesn't want to see more of this face? I mean,
you're fired. Get out of here. Right?
Maybe you just want to see the vans, and I'm okay with that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Please comment below if you guys have any questions. We will be happy to answer your questions. And smash that subscribe button. Until then, I will see you guys on the next video.